Hello all, today is Thursday, June 24th, and I'm back with another trade journal walkthrough. I only took two trades today. The first one is Mara, so let's take a look. So this one is one that was on my list of 8 setups from the previous night. So I'm going to start by looking there. As you can see, we had a 2-up day, even though I was looking for a bearish 2-2. So, that just shows you you play what you see. So I always set alerts to both directions, whether that's a reversal I'm looking at, but I was anticipating a bearish reversal here because you can see the previous day was pretty shooter-like. But we did go 2-up, and it was a green day. So if we go to the 5-minute, I decided to enter. There's one of two ways I enter based on, an explicit reversal that I see according to the strat, or based on this orb strategy, which takes the high and low of the first 30 minutes of trading in the day and plots that here. So if we break that high or, break the low, if we're looking at a put, I will enter the trade. So I entered the trade here and I ultimately exited here. And the reason I exited here, as you can see, according to the strat, if I was, just looking at these candles according to the strat, I wouldn't have gotten out on a 2-up. But one thing that I've adjusted my trading strategy for, just with the past couple of rocky trading days, is to look to take profit when I reach my targets. So this was my target, my first target. We got here, so I took profit, and that was 41% gain. So pretty happy with that. I'll likely, increase my risk tolerance a bit after a couple of, stronger days in a row here. But for right now, we exited right here. Next up is Snap. This was a loss for the day. So I entered the trade this time actually on a reversal, a 2-1-2, or no, it was a 2-1-2 bullish reversal on the 3-minute. So I was expecting this to be a quick trade. I know I also said in my previous video I won't be entering on the 3-minute, but I did do that this round, just knowing that I would expect a quick exit here. So entered on the 3, monitored for an exit on the 5. I got out on this big 2-down candle, and that ended up being a 5% loss. So another thing that I'm doing is I am only taking maximum of 1 loss a day and then calling it a day in terms of trading at that point. And that's just something I'm doing right now. Again, being a bit more disciplined to use this time to learn a bit more before going out hot and heavy again. So I spent the rest of the day looking at stocks to swing trade, and that's what you'll notice here on my active trades. I have the stocks that I'm swing trading. I'm not going to go in depth on those, but if you ever want to look in this right-hand area and know what I'm working on, that will be down here. And then, I'm always looking at Bitcoin and SPY as well. So thank you for watching. I will be back with another trade setup video this evening to speak to tomorrow's trading day, Friday, June 25th. As always, feel free to ask me any questions in the comments, and please like and subscribe.